Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at converting degrees to radians. Now the first thing I think about when I'm talking about degrees is talking about a circle. The angles in starting at 0 going the whole way around a circle, which we know is 360 degrees. Radius is referring to the circumference and uses the how far we've travelled around the circumference to help us deter. And so as the circumference is 2 pi r, so we think about radius in terms of a 1 unit circle, so we're talking about 2 pi. So 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi. So before I use this, I'm just going to simplify this and just get pi by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. If I divide both sides by 2, that means 360 divided by 2 is 180 degrees, and it equals pi. Now we are going to be using our understanding of this to convert between degrees and radians to degrees. So I'm going to start with degrees to radians, and then we'll go back the other way and see if we can convert between both of them. So to start off, I'm going to start off with 30 degrees. So we always start off with an amount, and then we are timesing it by the ratio, by the fraction, but it's in ratio form. So because I am wanting to convert it into radians, it is always radians over degrees. Now if I think about it like that, pi divided by 180, it's not the same number, however, it is like me saying 30 degrees times 1, because when I'm converting, it's going to be equal. So, and then I simplify. 30 pi divided by 180. How many 30s in 30? 1, so it becomes pi. How many 30s in 180? 6. So 30 degrees is pi over 6. And it's exactly the same way going from radians to degrees. If I've got pi over 6, I want to get it into degrees. So I'll go, okay, well I'm going to put 180 up the top, and I'm going to divide it by pi. Now I've done that, just remember it's about the amount and the ratio. And then I can times it. 180 times pi (6 times pi). Just remember we can cancel out now. So that just means I've got the 2 pi's I can cancel out. And then I've just got 180 divided by 6. And we know that is 30. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. And there you have it. We have just converted between degrees to radians. Hopefully that helps you understand how we can convert. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.